Hi guys, what's up? So for today's video, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys ang aking idagdag dito sa aking tricycle na mga accessories. So baka gusto nyo rin guys. So Shopee lang yan guys. So ito, bumili ako nilagyan ko ito guys ng aking tricycle ng ito sa aking, ayan. Pala guys ay ito yung mini driving bracket solid stainless. Ito naman 2 pieces driving light U bracket stainless with bolts. Ayan, ito guys. Then ano pa? Ito naman, ayan, ito 12 volts phone charger. Ayan, pangalan niya is 12 volts motorcycle phone charger. Ayan, pwede mag-charge, maganda guys. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan, yung ilaw, ayan, motorcycle light. Ayan, to motorcycle light, dalawa yan. Ayan, signal light. Ayan, tsaka pinalagyan ko dito sa ayan, sa loob. Then guys, meron pa ito naman, ayan, switch 12 volt 610 mm waterproof LED. Ayan, hollow switch, double on off button switch, 2-in-1 3-in-1 lead switch. 3-in-1 yan guys na switch, double on off ang nakalagay. Yan guys. So baka gusto nyo lang din, sa Shopee lang yan guys, nabibili.